What's up, guys? This is our first vlog. So when we reach 1,000 subscribers, we're going to be giving away... Sorry for technical difficulties, but the woods are a magical place, as you can see. And whoa, what is this? This is an ancient stick. See, these are respected across the world. No one could ever hurt this magical stick. Whoa, what is this? This is an Omega gopher hole. See? Now let's go through it. See, now this is very, very dangerous, but maybe the gods are calling to us and saying, don't do it. But I'm an idiot, as you can see. Now let's go through it. Holy Lord. See, that was very crazy. I actually encountered the Omega gopher. See, they're very scary, but they only intimidate people. They don't actually eat people. They eat rats, which is very weird because they're under this. But they do eat and live, but very scary. I'm telling you, do not try this at home. Okay, that was very scary. Don't try that at home like I just said 2 seconds ago. Whoa. Okay, so this is called a common flashlight. They're common, well, they're called common, but they're not very common. See, these wires go to this thing, and these wires do that, and that does that, and that does that. That's why it's a flashlight, but it's not common. Don't get mis- Nature rules!